Which of the following is a key component of high-quality teacher training program? Is it letter A, emphasis on standardized test preparation for students? Pag sinabi nating standardized test, masyado po itong traditional. So, masyado po itong subject-centered or teacher-centered. So, letter B naman po, focusing solely on administrative tasks and classroom management. So, kapag sinabi natin solely, andyan lang. No? So hanggang dyan lang. May limit lang yung capacity or yung tungkulin ni teacher. Okay, letter C naman po, opportunities for hands-on practice and real-world application. Mas makalearn yung student, especially if nag-hands-on. Kung saan mas na-engage sila, mas nagiging involved sila, doon sila mas natututo. And letter D naman po, restricting. Hindi inahayaan, hindi inaalaw ang professional development to once every few years. Okay, so the correct choice here is letter C po ang tamang sagot.